411027 kelas manajemen 22A. Here I will explain about capital budgeting. In most companies, capital budgeting is one of the main source of the profit the company, because with capital budgeting they can calculate the level of profit they will get in the long term. Capital budgeting is a term that we often hear as with dealing with money, but often the term capital budgeting is not just that. Therefore, we must really understand the profit but making investment decisions that will have a good long term and short term. Capital budgeting is because a manager will decide the investment that can be invested to have a good impact the company. In most companies, capital budgeting is one of the main source of profit for the company, because with capital budgeting they can calculate the level of profit they will get in the long term. Capital budgeting is a term that often are here dealing with money, but often the term capital budgeting is misused as a tool of calculating profit only. Even though capital budgeting is not just that, therefore we must really understand the meaning of capital budgeting so that the interpretation is not only limited to asking impact on the company. In a company, a financial manager must really understand capital budgeting is because a manager will decide the investment that can be invested to have a good impact on the company. Capital budgeting objects: 1. To know the meaning of capital budgeting. 2. To know the importance of capital budgeting. 3. To know the stakes of capital budgeting. 4. To know the benefit of capital budgeting. 5. To know the approach to capital budgeting decisions. To know capital budgeting decision method. Meaning of capital budgeting. Capital fixed asset used for production. Budget is a detail the project cash inflows and the cash outflows over several periods in the future, and it process starting from the planning to making a decision to spend a certain amount funds, where the return period of the fund expects 2 years in the book. Important capital budgeting. 1. Capital budgeting decisions will have effect over a long period of time so that the company lost its flexibility. 1. Project cost must be determined. 2. Management must estimate the expense cash flow from the project, including the final value of asset. 3. The risk of the project cash flow must estimate. 4. By knowing the risk of the project, management determine the appropriate cost of capital to discount the project flows. Using the time value of money, the expected cash inflow in the use estimate the value of asset. Finally, the present value of the expected cash flows in the compare with the benefit of capital budgeting. To find out more detailed funding needs, because the funds are tied to a period of more than 1 year. To so that there is no further investment or investment. 3. Can be more detailed and drop because fund increasing in the very amounts. There are two main approaches in making capital budgeting destination. The approach are influenced by the company financial condition. High aspect project approach include evaluating capital expenditure proposal to determine whether this proposal can be accepted or not. This approach is quality simple because it only completes the criteria. Process PH proposal with minimum criteria that have unlimited funds. High ranking approach ranking project based on ultimate criteria. One payback period method. The payback period is the period requirement using the debt flow process and a table to very easy to apply initial project accounting capital to measuring the quality of project, the quality condition in liquidating important factor the company weakness, not paying attention to the time of money value, not paying attention to cash inflow after the payback period, so money it can flow had a core know which cash will be in the future. Thank you.